Hello everyone, here we've got iPhone 14 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all you have to open Phone Gallery and then skip to contacts if you are not in this panel. Now choose the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to and click on Edit. Now select Add Photo and you can either choose something from your own gallery, you can add some emoji, you can just pick a letter, or here you've got all emojis and emojis which can be done, which can be added here, but let me choose a picture. For example, this one. Here you can customize it as only you wish, tap on Choose, and finally click on Done. And that's it. From now on this picture is assigned to your contact, and every time Andrew will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.